Hello Achievers, it's Lindsay Whiteman with eXp Realty. I wanted to jump on and share an amazing trick and tip and resource that you can use to contact the people that you love and the people that you want to do business with, and that is called send out cards. You can use this online, and then you can also download their app. I love using their app because it's on the go and you're just chilling, feet up, looking like you're not working, but you are. And basically what it does, I'm going to share my screen and kind of show you how to create a card. But this is a great way for me to make sure that I am sending birthday cards to my past clients and to the people that I want to do business with. It's a great way for me to remember my nephew and niece's birthdays because it sends me a reminder, and it also allows me to schedule a card. So let's say my friend's birthday was on is on August the 1st. I already have a card scheduled to be sent to her on or around her birthday, so therefore I never forget it and look like a horrible friend. And let me just go ahead and jump in and show you. Alright, so this is sendoutcards.com. I'm going to share a link below and a code that allows you to use kind of, I think it saves you some money. I have to double check on that, but definitely use this link. And how it begins is you can use this for free. I recently upgraded to, you can check out their pricing on their website. But the reason I upgraded to the enhanced was because of their unlimited relationship manager. I emailed them my entire database. I contacted all of my group A's. And if you haven't seen my video on how to create friends lists and, categorizing your database into group A, group B, group C, I will put a link below so you can check out that video. But this right here allows me to contact and be front of mind and be involved and add some happiness into people that I know and I care about and into their life. So I emailed Send Out Cards and I asked them to upload all of my contacts. And as long as I did it in their format, which I can show you if you would like to see it, just reach out to me. And I made sure that the file was saved in CSV. I'll double check on that. I'll link it down below. So I ended up upgrading. It is 17 bucks a month. You get a little bit cheaper of a card because it does typically cost between $2 and $2.75. This gives you a 15% discount on gifts. Another amazing tool for this is how you are able to add gifts. So like if someone sends me a referral, I send them a card saying thank you so much, and I send them brownies. It's a way to make sure that they know that I am super appreciative of them thinking of me for their real estate needs. And it's also a great way just to make them feel like they're appreciated and that I really do value them. So I'm going to go over and let's go to the home, and I'm going to create a card. So let's send a card. Let's see who I'm going to send it to. It's a little bit easier to do it on your phone, but I'm just going to show you because I'm trying to share my screen with you. But you have an option to do a photo drop, which allows you to import a photo, any type of photo, which I think is amazing, and it adds another cute personal touch. You can do catalog, and then you can build your own. Nobody got time to build their own. Let's delegate. Come on. I'm going to, you know what? Is it Passover coming? I don't know. You know what? Let's make my grandma a card. Right here it tells you the price, $2.25. And I'm just going to kind of show you the process. So you can have a flat card, you can have a postcard, you can have 2 panels, 3 panels, or a big jumbo card for an additional fee. I'm just going to do the 2 panel. I'm going to just do standard. Here is where you can upload your pictures. This is a super cute picture. However, I want it to be personable. So I am going to upload this. Oh, this is actually not a good idea. Christmas stockings with the Passover thing, but we're just going to use it as an example. So just humor me with my cute little lizard over there, my doggies. All right, so I'm going to go to next, which is the little button at the bottom right, and it's going to create your card. And this is where you are going to customize it. So we're going to go to Edit. And then this is the first page, so you're just going to write a little text. And then on the second page. And then you can write more messages, but this is just quick and simple. So I'm going to update. Actually, let me go to the last page. This is another cool thing is you can change the layout of your last page and you can customize it. Let's see if I can do it there. Yeah, so you're going to go over to layouts and it'll choose what kind of layout you want. So if you wanted to add more pictures and make it more cutesy, you could do that. I'm going to upload my daddy and my sissy. Ooh, it's thundering outside. I'm going to upload my cousins and I'm going to upload a message. And that is it. So let's just go ahead and update. And then you're going to add who you are going to send it to. So I'm just going to, just for the whatevers of it, I'm just going to pick a name and say done and send out immediately, or let's see if you wanted to schedule it. Let's say send on a specific date and I'm going to send it on April of whatever. Submit. And then you can add a gift here, which they have different types of gift options. I'm not going to add a gift on this specific one, so I'm going to cancel. Just wanted to kind of show you what they have in their store. And then you would say save as or ready to send. And that is the gist of it. So I hope this helps you make more of an impact on the people that you care about and making them feel more special. This has truly helped me keep all my addresses and birthdays and anniversaries all in one place rather than having to go online and pull my computer out and all that things that we just don't really want to deal with. We want to make our life easier, and send out cards definitely has made my life easier and actually a little bit more fun. So I hope this adds some value for you and makes your life easier and to help you improve your business. See you next time. Have a wonderful weekend.